Did you know that tokenization can make payments easier and smarter? Well, it can. Payment tokenization is crucial for businesses as it reduces the risk for data breaches and fraud. Both your business and customers benefit from the enhanced security payment tokenization offers, which is what we're going to talk about today. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin or a developer and want to learn about our advanced tokenization features, then you're in the right place. Speaking of common problems, you can actually learn ways to prevent payment failures from turning into missed revenue by reading our free collection checklist. You can download it in the description, but we'll get into that later on. Multi-gateway tokenization allows you to tokenize your customer payment data across as many payment gateway accounts as you see fit. You can do this in a single click or leverage automation. Smart payment routing enables automatic payment gateway selection based on criteria and rules you define. I bet you can see where this is going already. Yes, each of these features can be used individually, but when used together, they solve a long list of common problems businesses face today. Now that you know what multi-gateway tokenization and smart payment routing is, let's look at 5 ways these tools can benefit your organization. Benefit 1. Expand market reach. You can quickly get to market in new regions by automatically selecting the right gateway for each payment in real time, based on location, currency, or regulatory requirements. With smart payment routing, you can stand up new location, offices, or systems, and payments will route through the appropriate gateway automatically. No custom coding needed. Benefit 2. Increase payment processing uptime. While it doesn't happen frequently, payment processing outages will impact your revenue and leave a nasty mark on your customer's experience. That's why businesses leverage more than one payment gateway. With multi-gateway tokenization, you can ensure that your customer's token will be ready to use with all of your gateway accounts. If one goes down, the next one is ready to process that payment. Speaking of processing payments, when you read the checklist we created, which is based on years of helping customers successfully improve your payment processes, you will learn ways to spend less time chasing late payments and spend more time on revenue-generating tasks. Download it from the video description right now. Benefit 3. Keep gateway fees low. Gateway fees are complex and their fee structure is based on a variety of factors. With smart payment routing, you can direct payments to the most cost-efficient gateway and ensure that you are taking advantage of the lowest fee possible for that payment. Benefit 4. Improve authorization rates. A declined payment on one gateway doesn't have to stop you from collecting revenue. Tokenize your customer payment data across multiple gateways and configure smart payment routing to avoid gateway transaction limits by directing payments accordingly when those limits are reached. Benefit 5. Supply chain efficiency. When your customer payment data is ready to use across all stages of your sales cycle, from production to shipment, you can automate just about every step of that process. Your staff will spend less time tracking down or re-entering payment data and more time completing orders and getting shipments out the door. Here are some questions you can ask yourself to determine whether or not these tools can help you improve your business. Question 1. Do you need to keep your IT maintenance costs down and payment project scope limited? Question 2. Do you currently sell in multiple regions or do you want to sell in multiple regions? Question 3. Are you planning to expand your organization and grow into new markets? Question 4. Are you concerned about achieving regulatory compliance in different markets and reducing your PCI scope? Question 5. Are you approaching or reaching your gateway volume limits? If any of these questions apply to you, then multi-gateway tokenization and smart payment routing can help your organization achieve its goals.
Does your organization struggle to accept different transaction types in Salesforce, such as international payments? My name is Danielle, and I'm from Chargent. In this video, we will cover the solution: Chargent's Smart Payment Routing feature. Smart Payment Routing uses Lightning Flow and allows merchants to take control of where they send transactions, helping them find the best gateway for a transaction based on payment data and business process rules. This feature allows you to optimize every payment with the gateways available to your business. Now, let's get started and take a look at the 7 benefits of Smart Payment Routing. Benefit number 1, gateway optimization. For each transaction, Smart Payment Routing will help your Salesforce org select the best gateway for the specific transaction type based on factors like transaction fees, efficiency, and historical payment data. For example, payments made in different retail locations could use specific gateways that are more efficient and affordable for that customer's location. Benefit number 2, reduced payment problems. Payment gateways are chosen based on factors such as the customer's location, currency types, and regulatory processes. Smart Payment Routing reduces payment latency, making the payment process quicker and more convenient for both customers and employees. Call center staff in particular can experience a smoother transaction process as they'll be able to resolve calls more quickly. Ready to see how Chargent can transform your payment process? With Chargent's new Ready to Test org, you can test the full functionality of Chargent risk-free. Try it now by clicking the link in the description. Benefit number 3, increased authorization rates. Using the optimal gateway means you're less likely to see declined payments. Without Smart Payment Routing, your team may struggle to find a gateway to approve the payment. Smart Payment Routing automates this process, making it more likely that you'll find an appropriate gateway on the first try. Not only is this more convenient for customers trying to make a purchase, but it can also reduce your transaction fees. Benefit number 4, reduced processing fees. All the factors that determine the best gateway for a transaction can also affect how much you pay in processing fees. Smart Payment Routing can find the gateway with the lowest processing fees for each transaction type. This means lower fees, leading to less of a drain on your profits, which also helps with forecasting. Benefit number 5, expanded market reach. Using Salesforce flows in combination with Smart Payment Routing allows your business to process transactions in a dynamic way. This can make it easier to expand into new sales regions, since you'll be able to leverage gateways that process transactions in these new locations. Benefit number 6, lower cart abandonment. Choosing the right payment gateway for each transaction eliminates barriers to successful payments. Your customers are less likely to abandon the products they want if their payments are successfully processed on the first try. Benefit number 7, automation to reduce IT burden. A more effective and automated payment routing system means less burden for your IT team. They won't need to manually determine the best gateway for each transaction. This means they can focus their efforts on other important tasks. When using Salesforce to collect payments, it's crucial to build a strong payment routing system that functions intuitively and efficiently with multiple payment types. If you don't already have this in place, you may struggle with gateways that limit payment volumes and leave you scrambling to switch, disorganized systems that result in mistakes when using multiple bank accounts, and confused staff who have difficulty keeping track of which payment gateways to use for which transaction types, or wildly varying transaction fees that negatively impact revenue and forecasting. As you can see, there are many reasons why Chargent Smart Payment Routing is beneficial for businesses that process different transaction types. From reduced fees to expanding sales opportunities, Smart Payment Routing puts more money in your pocket. My name is Danielle, and I am from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And don't forget, you can try Chargent's Ready to Test via the link in the description. And for more helpful tips, watch this next video here. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.